All right, guys, welcome to PK's Gaming World. Today we're doing 2020 Panini National Treasure Collegiate Football one box break. And I forgot to fix the focus. Fix the focus. There you go. All right. Good luck, guys. One box, 2020 National Treasure Collegiate Football. There's only 8 cards in here. I think sometimes you get more, but usually it's 8 cards. So, guys, sometimes is a high-end product, big risk, big reward. So not everybody's gonna get something, but it's a great product. Let's open it up. Let's get some big hit. Good luck, everybody. Just gonna cut a little bit over here. Don't want to cut the cardboard or the box. All right, guys. Good luck. All right. So we got a nice orange box. It's not a wood box anymore, unless there might still be a wood box inside and just cover it with these. But let's cut it. Let's cut the sticker and let's figure it out. Pretty neat. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, it's not a wood box anymore. There you go. Let's take this out. It's an empty box. So it's like one of these plastic things. Still looks pretty nice. It's not heavy like the wood box anymore. Pretty neat. All right, guys. Good luck. The nice orange looks sweet on this. Let's cut the sticker. All right, guys. So I think everybody knows the rules. All the rookie goes to the team that draft them. Undraft rookie goes to the team they last play for. Every player that's still active right now goes to the team that they're playing, that they're on right now. So if Antonio Brown comes out, it goes to the Buccaneer. All the retired player, Hall of Fame, or players that hasn't even played for like 2, 3, 4 years, they go to the team they play for the longest. All right, guys. So good luck. Let's start. And let's get something big. See all roll out. Oh, we got a redemption. Who did not sign for this product? There we go, empty box. All right, guys. And we could figure out, well, we know most player goes to what team, but we'll figure it out and we'll check it out for everybody in case not everybody knows what team they all go to. All right, guys, good luck. First card, we have a a 1 of 1 Jimmy Garoppolo for the 49ers. What a good start. 1 of 1 Jimmy G. Boom. Nice. Jimmy G 1 of 1 goes to the 49ers. We all know he goes to the 49ers. This is a 1 of 1 on Meg. That who got the 49ers? Who got the 49ers? Flying Brian. Nice hit. All right, let's see. It's probably 100 points. I got the Panini knife. I got the Panini knife when I went to Nationals. So they were giving these out for free. So I grabbed one. All right, got the 100 points. A 101 Jimmy G. So we start out with a nice hit. So let's hope this box is fire all the way through. There you go. 101 Jimmy G. Nice hit for the 49ers. Let me write down for Flying Brian, get the bonus. All right, Flying Brian, get the 101 bonus. We'll do that at the end of the video for your 101 hit. Pretty neat. All right, guys, let's continue. We start out with a nice hit right off the bat. Is this going to be another number card? All right, guys, good luck. We have LSU. We have a Leonard Fournette, 53 of 99. 53 of 99. Not bad. Goes to the Buccaneer. Leonard Fournette. Buccaneer goes to Michael S. Here you go, Michael. Pretty neat. There you go. Nice hit. Oh, we got a book next. We got a book. Yeah, we got a book next. What's the bottom? The bottom is the redemption. So let's check out the book, guys. Let's just go right in order. We got the book. Look at that. It's a book. See that? It's a book. Good luck, guys. We have National Treasure from Alabama. We have Jerry Judy, 89 of 99. Jerry Judy to the Broncos. I think everybody knows he goes to the Broncos. I don't think we need to check on him, right? Unless you guys want to. There we go, Jerry Judy to the Broncos. Here we go. Let's just go Google it right away, right there. Broncos, Jerry Judy, wide receiver. Pretty neat. Who got the Broncos? Bronco goes to Justin. Here goes Justin. Let's check it out. We have it's out of 99. Oh, nice. You got a rookie patch autograph. Look at that. You got a jumbo patch on this side. And then you got, look at that, Crimson Tide auto patch in here too. There you go. Jerry Judy autograph. Look at that. That's sweet. Look at that. Nice hit for the Broncos. Awesome. All right, I'll put this over here. I'll put it in a box later. All right, for the Broncos, Justin, sweet hit. All right, guys, next hit we have. Oh, we got another Leonard Fournette with a 65 of 99 and nice big jumbo patch. Look at that, Leonard Fournette goes to the Buccaneer. There you go. Leonard Fournette. Buccaneer goes to Michael S. Pretty neat. There it is. Sweet looking card. All right, guys. Next one we have. Oh, it's upside down. We have Jared Goff. Jared Goff goes to the Rams. 1 of 25. There you go. Goes to the Rams. Rams goes to Christian. Here you go, Christian. Pretty neat. Nice. All right, we got a 101 Jimmy Garoppolo. We got a Jerry Jeudy autograph patch, rookie patch autograph booklet. Let's get some more big hit here. All right, we have goes this way this time. We got a rookie. We got a rookie autograph. Van Jefferson. Van Jefferson. There you go. Nice 3-color patch. 22 of 25. Rookie patch autograph. Pretty neat. Goes to the Gator. But he goes to. See what team he goes to. I believe he goes to the Rams. But let's double check. Let's see what size this is. The patch is probably a little bit bigger. All right, let's Google his team right there. Second round pick to the Rams, Van Jefferson, wide receiver. All right, to the Rams. Rams goes to Christian. Here go Christian. Got back-to-back hit with the Jared Goff and the Van Jefferson rookie patch autograph. 22 of 25. Pretty neat. Yeah, wrong Jefferson. Let's hope we can get a Justin Jefferson. That'd be pretty nice as he's on fire. All right, guys, got 3 cards left to go. 3 cards left to go. I think this one goes this way. A pretty thick card, so that's how we get an autograph here. We got a college material signature. College material signature. So it's gotta be I'm not sure if it. Okay, it looks like it's a quarterback. We have 6 of 49, Nate Stanley. Nate Stanley. Nice 2-color patch. Okay, I think he 6 of 49. Did he go to the Viking? Was he drafted to the Viking or is he undrafted? Let's double check. Or is he a different player, a different team? Let's double check. Nate Stanley. This is on card autograph, guys. Let's check. Let's see what team drafted him. Viking. That's what I thought. I thought he was Vikings rookie 7th round pick. Google right there. 7th round pick, Minnesota Viking. Nate Stanley, quarterback, goes to the Viking. Viking goes to Ray J. Here go Ray. Nice hit. It's not a Justin Jefferson, but still a Nate Stanley. Not bad. There you go. Nice hit for Ray J. All right, guys, got 2 cards left. Good luck, everybody. We have another college material signature. So we got another autograph, guys. LSU. All right, who's in LSU? Is it Joel Burrow? Joel Burrow, Clyde Edward-Helaire, or Clyde Edward-Helaire, not Hilaire, Helaire. Let's check it out. We have a Clyde Edward-Helaire, 72 of 99. On card autograph goes to the Chief. Goes to Chief. Goes to Mark. Let's go. Boom. Nice. Pretty neat. Not bad. Oh, why is this pack so big? This sleeve is like extra big. There you go. And my sleeve here is. All right, there you go. Clyde Edward-Helaire. Nice. There you go. 72 of 99. A rookie patch autograph. Nice hit, Mark. Goes to the Chief. There you go. Let's Google it right there. First round pick. Nice. I like this set. Most all the rookies are drafted so far. Pretty neat. All right, guys. Our last card. Our last card. Good luck, everybody. It's gonna be a redemption. It's gonna be a redemption. We have. All right, an autograph. Card number 110. Good luck, everybody. We have Brandon Ayuk. There you go. Pretty neat. Brandon Ayuk goes to 49ers. Brandon Ayuk. Great receiver. Let me Google it for you guys. I'm sure you guys could read that, but there you go. First round pick. Brandon Ayuk to the 49ers. Pretty neat. There you go. Nice hit for the 49ers. Who got the 49ers? Flying Brian. There you go. Pretty neat. There we go. Great receiver. There it is. All right. Not bad. Pretty good box. Empty box. Let's go through the hit again, guys. All right. So we have Brandon Ayuk for the 49ers. Redemption. Rookie autograph. We got a Nate Stanley, 6 of 49, rookie patch autograph to the Viking. We have a Van Jefferson, 22 of 25, rookie patch autograph goes to the Rams. We got a Jared Goff, jumbo patch, 1 of 25, goes to the Rams. We have 65 of 99, Leonard Fournette, jumbo patch, goes to the Buccaneers. Then we have a Leonard Fournette, 53 of 99, goes to the Buccaneers. And then we have a sweet hit. We got a book of Jerry Jeudy, 89 of 99, goes to the Broncos. Look at that. What a sweet book. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. And then we have a nice hit of Clyde Edward-Helaire, 72 of 99. Rookie patch autograph. Pretty neat. Oh, and then we got a 101 of Jimmy G. Pretty neat. 101. Nice. All right, let me move these back in here. All right, let's move in the free pack giveaway. All right, Flying Brian, let's do yours first. So 1 through 29 get a pack, break credit, or a card. Number 30, you get the Chronicles blaster box. Guarantee one autograph in there. On average, some of them might not even have an autograph. All right, guys. All right, let's see. Let's go random. All right, Flying Brian, good luck 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last and final time, 5. Pack 13. All right, Flying Brian, you got pack number 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You got a 2014 hit low series. There you go. All right, let's replace that pack. With another one. All right, guys, let's highlight everybody's name. Let's go to the random paste. All right, guys, got Opa on the bottom, and we got TL on top. All right, guys, 5 times names on top gets the free pack giveaway. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4, we got Tufu on top. You got Brendan on the bottom. That was 4 times. Last and final time. Good luck, guys. And 5. And it goes to Flying Brian. All right, Flying Brian. Just going to use your same number here. Let's go over here. All right, Flying Brian. 5 more times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last and final time. 5. Pack 25. All right, pack 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. You got a 2016 Donruss football. There you go. Pretty neat. Zeke, Dak, Michael Thomas. Their rookie year. Not bad. All right. put in a Absolute Football 2020. There we go. Running out of football stuff and basketball packs. Those stuff are hard to get these days. All right, guys. That's it for 2020 Panini National Treasure Collegiate Football. Thank you, everybody.